Greetings! Today we will learn how to prevent duplicate data entry in Microsoft Excel. Select the cells in a column. Go to the Data tab. In the Data Tools group, click Data Validation. On the Settings tab, choose Custom from the Allow drop-down. In the Formula field, enter the displayed formula. The validation rule will count the occurrences of the value in a range. Go to the Error Alert tab. Select Error Message Style. You can configure it to stop, warning, or information. Type the title and description of the error message. Finally, press OK. An error message will pop up on duplicate entries.